Imagine a war two countries thousands of miles apart, but their rivalry could shake the entire world. One on side Israel, a small country but with one of the most advanced military on the earth. On the other side, Iran, one of the largest military power in the Middle East. If a full-scale war ever broke out between them, there would only be one question: who would win? Today, Iran and Israel are bitter enemies, but it was not always like this. Before 1979, Iran and Israel actually had a good relation. Then came to Iranian revolution. The new government in Iran declared that the Israel should be eliminated from the Middle East. Since then, two countries have been engaged in what experts call a shadow war. Iran has supported groups like Hamas and Hezbollah, while Israel has repeatedly carried out covert strikes on the Iranian targets. In simple terms, their rivalry has been building for more than 40 years. Now let's get to the real question: which country is stronger? If we look purely at numbers, Iran appears much larger. Iran has more than 6 lakh military personnel, while Israel has around 1.7 lakh active soldiers. Iran also has thousands of tanks, missiles, and drones. But the story doesn't end there. Because when it comes to technology, Israel is far ahead. Israel operates the Iron Dome missile defense system, advanced fighter jets, highly sophisticated cyber warfare capability, and there another major factor support from the United States. Meaning, in a major conflict, Israel would likely have access to the most advanced Western military technology. In recent years, this conflict has become even more dangerous in 2025. The two countries experienced direct military confrontation, and in 2026, tensions have escalated even further across the Middle East. Missile and drone attacks have continued to increase. Thousands of strikes and counter strikes have already taken place. This is no longer just a conflict between two nations. It's becoming a major threat to stability across the entire Middle East. If Iran and Israel ever enter a full-scale war, the consequence could affect the entire world. Oil price could skyrocket, global stock market could crash. A massive regional war could erupt across the Middle East. And the most alarming possibility, some experts warn that such a conflict could trigger conditions similar to a global war. So the real question still remains: will the conflict between Iran and Israel ever end, or will this decades-long rivalry one day pull the entire world into a much bigger war?